Hey guys, welcome to another video on the channel. Today we are replacing the badges. As you can see, there's no more foam stuff, and it's really like, you know, we're just gonna ignore all the scratches I put in there with the razor. And I got my new steering wheel in. But yeah, new badge on. They're black with the white dot. See, I'm going for the black and white theme on this one. And I can't wait to get rid of these damn seats. But about to go get the badges, throw them on, and show y'all what it looks like. So if you notice, it's like really clean in some area, and then the new 5.0 badge, it's black and white, right? I was trying to get this to match my paint code, but I kind of need to get this whole car detailed and brightened back up, and then I think this will pop a little bit more. But yeah, this is just 3M tape sticked on there, and I think it looks good, right? Show you the other side too. Also had to modify them a little bit, i.e. my diagonal cutters are out. But yeah, it's at the stock height. Moved over a little bit so I can cover the holes. So people are like, oh, a hole. It's like, whatever, you didn't do it. And my redneck just got back. And we're about to throw the steering wheel in after he takes a minute and, you know, gets settled in. All right, now I'm doing my steering wheel. Behind these, right, these little arms right here, there's gonna be a little cap you gotta pop off. That's an 8. I can't find my my deep socket 8, so I got my short socket and an extension. Also disconnected the battery because I don't want this thing going off in my face. But see if I can set y'all up and do a little time lapse. All right, no time lapse, sadly. However, I'm going to pop these out. I'm also taking this video so I can remember where they go. There's a crow on the roof. Cool. Pop these out and then set this away from me because I don't want it to go off on me, because that would be not fun, like at all. Got the whole bag assembly out. Now this is a 24. I did unscrew it a little bit. Yep, this is loose. Mint. Pretty sure I'm gonna have to take this out too, and I can get a little shiesty. We'll see though. Hopefully it's not too bad, but I'm destroying this steering wheel as soon as it gets out of the car, because you know, I kind of get road rage and when people cut me off or, you know, things like that. But I think this will be good because take some anger out. Instead of doing it on the car, just doing it on old car parts. Very nice.
Oh, very nice.
So I saved y'all some of the boring stuff, like I had to pop these off of the old steering wheel. And obviously I was going to reuse these anyways, but I mean, it's pretty simple. You do the whole process backwards, and you know, it should just go right in. But this looks a heck of a lot better than that red piece of shit. Yeah, I mean, I still got to tighten this down, but you know, it is what it is. Definitely gonna go get some pictures taken eventually of this, because I think this is just amazing. Let me get it all finished up and I'll talk a little bit more about it. So this is a forged carbon fiber with a Alcantara, like perforated leather kind of thing. Really upset I didn't notice that I had to reuse these, but you know, it is what it is. But oh, this is gonna be so much better than that. Well, that's all I got for y'all today. Like, share, subscribe. Always have a great day, y'all. Stay safe.